Up in the sky where the big clouds play, the golden sun smiles all through the day. With a hop and a skip and a happy song, we play in the grass where we all belong. One little birdie goes tweet, 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 searching for berries so round and sweet. Two little bunnies go thump, 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 over the garden they wiggle and jump. The flowers are nodding their sleepy heads, tucking themselves into leafy beds. The stars come out with a tiny light to whisper to everyone nighty night.
Hi everyone!
Want more fun and adventure?
Please subscribe and follow my channel for more.